Recognize also that anything biological can then be weaponized. Here what we're talking about primarily is the idea of weaponized non-human animal drones. And clearly the one that comes to mind is something referred to as the Darpa Beetle, where Darpa was looking to understand how to affect the nervous system of a living organism through the use of integrated biosensors and engaging articulative devices. And what the Darpa Beetle demonstrated pretty well is that we can harness the nervous system of an insect, and by harnessing into their nervous system through the use of very, very fine-scale wiring and the use of optogenetics coupled with an onboard battery pack that is solar sensitive. So that would be as if I'm saying I take a particular thing, I strap it onto my bug, I infiltrate that bug's nervous system, and I control the way it moves. I can go one step further, and I can also impregnate that individual organism, with a very small-scale weaponizable delivery mode. In other words, if I'm using a very, very small-scale bioweapon, such as a very potent organotoxin, or the delivery of a very small level of microbes that we know can either replicate and infect, or is genetically modified to have a very, very high morbidity effect, I can then utilize this not only as a reconnaissance drone, but also as an infiltrative weaponizable drone that can then deliver some payload to a specifically small and contained group in a very specialized way, or if I use enough of them, an ever-expanding larger group.